channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to get paid Coursera certificates, that too for free. The steps are going to be very easy. You just have to do one thing. If you are new to my channel, just subscribe my channel and let's begin the video. And this window will appear. Just click on Coursera.org. After that, the page will redirect you to some another site, as you can see here. So if I want to choose any course, such as let's say Google UX design, so just I will click on this. Click on enroll now. After that, as you can see, the web page appears like this: Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate. After that, guys, what you have to do, as you can see here, the financial rate available option is there. You just have to click on financial rate available. After that, you just have to click continue to the application. And here, as you can see, this the professional certificate course consists of 7 series. Okay, so you can choose any series or you can take whole 7. But guys, you just have to remember one thing, that there will be at a time you can submit just 10 applications. So let's say I just want to learn foundation of digital marketing and e-commerce. I will click on this and this next. After clicking on it, the window will appear like this. So you just have to choose your education, annual income. If you just can choose 0, employment status. If you're a student, a full-time, or any other, you just have to choose something. After that, you just have to write the reason. This is more important, guys. Reason why you are applying for this course. After applying, you just have to click I reviewed my information, next button. After that, this will ask how much money can you pay to their course. You just have to choose 0, and you just have to write how will your selected course help your goal, means how this course will help in your career. See guys, you just have to remember one thing, that this certificate means nothing if you are getting any free certificate, but certificate means nothing if you are not learning anything new or not getting any skills or not building some new skills, new developments. So here you have to write just your proper reason and why this certificate do you need and all and all. After that, you just have to click on terms and conditions. You just have to click. You just have to here write I agree to the terms above. After that, you just have to click on I am not a robot, and you just have to click. You just have to write your response. After that, this is your button and your application will be date submitted. So guys, this was the video. If you like it, do subscribe my channel, and for more such videos, stay tuned and turn on the notification.